Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing a StyleWe haul. I did partner with them a while ago, I think it was over a year ago, and I loved their pieces, so when they reached out to me and wanted to work together again, I was super excited. If you're unfamiliar with StyleWe, they are a clothing company that has so many incredible styles. They have so many unique pieces, very artistic designs, fun patterns. It's a very elevated, sophisticated brand that has so many unique pieces that you're not going to find anywhere else. And something that I absolutely love is that they're super affordable. The pieces are super high quality, but what you're paying is so unbelievably low. I am super impressed. So it's a great brand from my standpoint, and I'm super excited to share some of the pieces that I picked out. I've mentioned this periodically, but this year I'm really trying to push myself in my style, try things out that I wouldn't normally pick, and really push myself to be elevated and sophisticated. I'm going to be in my 30s in the next couple years, and I really want to feel more adult and sophisticated in my style, and StyleWe has tons of pieces perfect for that. So I picked a few new things that I think are going to be great staples for the spring and summer. So let's go ahead and dive in. First, let's start with what I'm wearing, which is this dress. And this is so comfortable and cozy. It breathes so well. I feel like this is a very high-end resort kind of style. It's asymmetrical. You can wear it either as like a normal kind of scooped almost boat neck. You could wear it off the shoulder to kind of counteract the asymmetrical design. I really like it. And this material is so soft and breathable. It is kind of a linen material. It's not too see-through. It's very thin but nice, so I don't feel like I'm showing everything to the world, but I still feel like I can breathe. I really like it. The tie can be tied in the back for one look. I think it looks really pretty tied in the front. I think it's very flattering to bring the waist in a little bit, and I just really like it. So I'm excited about this. It's definitely a piece that is a little bit outside of my normal style, but I think it's going to be a really good staple. There's a lot that you can do with it. Very high quality. I really like it. The next dress is also a white dress, but a lot different. The pattern of this one is super unique. It's kind of like a brushed watercolor. There's tons of fun, almost floral-esque designs in here, but it's very abstract. I really like this. This one is definitely a different material. It's more traditional polyester, but it still feels very high quality. It is a little bit on the see-through side, but it's, you know, it's white, so it's not too bad. You can still get away with wearing normal things without a slip. I think this looks really pretty without the belt. I think that's very sophisticated, very high-level resort, elegant woman. I personally think it looks really cute without the belt, but I wanted to show you both options so you can kind of get a side-by-side. I think it would largely depend on your body type and, you know, what you're feeling like wearing that day, but I love that one. I only got one shirt, and I actually don't know if I would wear it with any of these pants, but I wanted to talk about it because I really like it. So it is a off the shoulder. I definitely ordered it a little too big. I think I should have gotten a medium instead of a large, because it definitely wants to like ride up to be more of a boat neck, which I honestly don't mind. It definitely is a little more comfortable than an off the shoulder, and you still get that open décolletage look, which I really like. It is similar to this where it has some elastic sleeves, so you get a little bit more of that like balloon, except without it being elastic, they are buttons. So very comfortable. It's similar to this in a almost in between a linen and a polyester material. Very breathable. It has elastic around the torso-ish area, and that way you can kind of make it as cropped as you want it to be, which is not a whole lot for me, but I think it's perfect for high-waisted pants. You don't have to worry about tucking something in, and you still get that look where it brings your waistline in, so I really like that. I first paired it with these yellow pants, which I am completely in love with. These were the wild card of this haul for me, and I love them. I think they're my favorite piece in this entire haul. They're so fun. I love the cargo style. Very much reminds me of Kim Possible, but with a bright punch of yellow instead of green. I think they are so cute. I like them a lot more not tied around the ankle, where they're kind of like a wide leg cargo. but you do have the option of tying them if you'd want them to be tapered down at the bottom, which I really like the versatility of. They're not too see-through. The quality is amazing. They're a good level of thickness to where I feel like they're breathable, but like I said, not see-through at all. And the yellow is such a fun punch. I feel like typically that color wouldn't look amazing with my complexion, so I love that I can wear it as pants without it kind of washing out my face. So love, love, love those. I think they're so fun and cute. And then the pair of pants that are next are these black pair, and I think these look really, really good with the top. They are the same material, so that is a win. I actually just picked up the top when I meant to grab the pants. They are basically the same material. I really, really like these. These fit me perfectly. They have a zipper along the side, and then they do have an elastic waistband in the back, so it's very comfortable. You can still sit down and not feel like you're a sausage casing. The length is great. I could wear these with sneakers, I could wear these with heels, I could walk around barefoot if I wanted to, and they're not going to drag. So I love how these fit me. I think these are like the perfect spring summer breathable pant. I'm excited to probably rock this with a graphic tee, but you could totally dress this up if you wanted to wear these to work. You could do that too, which I love. Okay, and then lastly, we have these pants, and these are just beautiful. These are the like iconic pinstripe trouser. I love these. They are so high quality. These are a stretchy material, and I really, really like these. They're definitely the thickest material, so they're a little bit on the warmer side, but they're still breathable, and they're almost like cool to the touch. Again, the length is amazing. Elastic waistband on the back, but straight in the front so that you have that polished look and the comfort. Does have a zipper closure, which I didn't necessarily need in putting these on, but I really like it because it definitely gave me a little bit more of like a suction around my waist, which made me look so much taller and leaner. I love it. I have said this before, stripes on pants make your legs look so long, and these are definitely like that. So I really, really like these. The stitching is incredible. I think they're so, so, so flattering, and I just really love these. So I know it's a little bit of a smaller haul, but I'm interested to hear what your favorite pieces are. I think my favorites have to be those yellow pants just because they're so out of the park for me, but they worked so well, and I'm super, super excited to like figure out how I'm gonna style them. So if you have ideas, let me know down below. And if you are interested in shopping anything, everything will be linked in the description box, so you can go ahead and check that out. If you want to save some money, you can use this code to do so. Thank you so much to StyleWe for sending me these pieces and letting me pick them out. I'm so, so excited to have some new fun staples in my wardrobe for the upcoming seasons, and I love what I picked out. I hope that you enjoyed watching and that you choose to stick around and subscribe. And if you do, I will see you in the next video. And in the meantime, I hope you have a killer day. Bye!